welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Wstco. Quarantine is getting to me, you guys. I have been entertaining myself, doing the most weirdest things that you could think of, and it's all good because today I decided to come home and get this look together for you guys. And I was like, you know, I feel like somebody will appreciate this out here, okay? Now, I personally would go for a different style for the top if I was to wear this outside. But this is what you're getting today, okay? And the baby hairs are popping. I show you guys what I use for that. I show you guys how to do the little swoopty swoop. But you guys are gonna see how I created this whole little illusion using my Reshine Hair. So everything will be listed in the description box below. But don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, all that good stuff. And follow me on Instagram because we had so much fun. Like, we was lit. So thank you guys for just tuning in. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, what are we doing, sis? I thought we was home dogs. So, alright, so let's begin this style. Y'all may have seen me try this technique before, but I usually do this on wet hair and I don't have to braid anything down. I'll insert some photos of basically what I'm talking about. I made my wigs into U-part wigs before, but usually the only thing that I would have out is my edges. I do get tired of frontals and closures and wigs and stuff like that, so I like to wear my real hair out. I found that this technique be helping me out when I be a little bored or whatever with my wigs or with my frontal. Important because you need to have, wait, all right, hold on 1 second. I'm talking and trying to do this and it's not working. So 1 second. I have my edges out, I have my sides out just because I didn't want to cause a lot of tension right here. That's where you go wrong, especially if you try this on somebody else's hair. You know, or even on your hair. You do not want to pull your hair. Trust me, it's so irritating. So be careful. But what I'm going to do is just add a little elastic band so it can get out of my way. That's why I had to make these braids, because I need the wig to be able to be secure on my head. So basically what I'm doing now is just take, obviously I wouldn't be this sloppy on somebody else's hair or a client's hair or something like that, but once again, it's my damn hair and I can do whatever I want to do to my hair, okay? And if you have to add a little bit of braiding hair to your braid, obviously, you know, get it done. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, I'm just gonna pop the wig on. Wig's on. And here's what I have to do, y'all. Here's what I gotta do. So I have to tuck the lace because obviously the lace is clocky because it's lace. So where's my comb? Get my comb and tuck my first comb. I'm gonna tuck the first comb under. And then I'm gonna also start tucking the lace at the same time. So tuck the lace. It's snug. All right, so I just went ahead and tucked the second comb and it's secure, honey. I'm so happy. All right, she's a little stiff, okay? She ain't going nowhere. She's not going anywhere. And I haven't even tucked the third comb yet. The third comb underneath and pull this down. So look at her. Now we have to play with the top part. These anchor braids be doing for you, so make sure you try this out because it will save and change your life. I'm just gonna put one bobby pin right here where I started my first braid. You try to make this wig look like it's your real hair, okay? That's what we doing right now. We tricking these out here. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see it yet? So I know y'all probably like, okay, what you doing with this? Well, I said I wanted a halfway up, halfway down, didn't I? It's blown out. I don't want to use any water-based gels because it's going to curl my hair back up. So I have to use some hairspray to make sure everything is laying how it needs to be laid. I have to get my blow dry. Alright, so I'm going to take a few more bobby pins and like tuck around the back half of my hair as well. Care for the top half of the hair, and then I had to go back in and just throw in a bit more of my well, I threw in some argan oil wrap lotion. I hate that wrap lotion, but I just felt like I needed to define these curls a little bit more because in some footage it just was looking really big and just pointless, you know. So I did that, and I think it's decent. I think it's cute. I'll keep trying with this little method that I'll be trying to give y'all, but let me know what you guys would have done to the top half. It's been like 3 hours since you last seen me, so that's why my little bun is messed up towards the top, but it's cool. Reshine information will be listed in the description box below. And by the way, turn on your post notification so you are notified when I upload another video, and also subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Everything will be listed in the description box below.